like to thank Professor Mahendra Singh, who was insistent that I should come and who graciously also changed the timing of this workshop for my convenience. Thank you so much, Professor Mahendra Singh and Professor Garg, for inviting me here and to be a part of your workshop. And due to this, I also got an opportunity. This is my first visit to your institute after joining this department. Unfortunately, we don't get a lot of time to visit these institutions. And after seeing the infrastructure here and after meeting all of you, I think you have set up a beautiful infrastructure, and I also congratulate you for that and all the other activities that I have been told you are indulged in, and various all the various activities in the field of academics and all other fields that Dr. Raman and Dr. Mahendra Singh and all of you with all your support you are continuing, and also not only in the dry field of academics, they are also into art and culture. So I think that is a very good initiative. I would just like to put my on record that it's a very wonderful work, and you have also got very good gradings as far as our inspections are concerned. So I think the institute will in future it will do all the more better in all your institutes. So that is one thing I wanted to say. And as regards the workshop, it is my pleasure to inaugurate the workshop of on organizational transformation through strategic management, the Grand Strategist, organized by the institute in association with MSME. And this is a very prestigious workshop. And again, congratulations to the institute for having been selected by MSME for this kind of workshop. And as you know, in the present scenario of when we are talking of business, increasing business industry, and every the increasing the ease with which we do business. So I think this is a very timely kind of workshop that you are conducting with the help of this institute. MSME is trying to assist the entrepreneurs who are already set up their businesses to how to change their organizational structures or the strategies with which they can make the ease the way they do the business. So it is not the ease of doing business vis-a-vis the foreign companies, it is the ease of doing business within yourself also. There are many obstacles that face business in competitive marketplace. Oftentimes, the management needs additional training and reviews in order to stay up on the top of things. Management training involves the use of courses and workshops that are specially designed for business and management aspects of operating and running a business. When done correctly, these training sessions and training materials will help build the capacities and to make a stronger and more unified business. This in turn will lead to greater profits and a higher rate of employee and customer satisfaction. Management training involves the use of courses and workshops that are specially designed for business and management aspects of operating and running a business. They are set up to help employees deal with the obstacles they may face in the day-to-day working and operating of the business. The strategies that any manager decides to use in the workshop, in the workplace, will most often dictate employee performance. Employees react to their environment, and the managers and team leaders are often the ones who set the mood that the employees will follow. The training can be used to help bridge the gap between the two and ensure good communication and understanding that exists, and that will go a long way in helping everyone to be more cooperative and ultimately to be more making the your enterprise more successful. The formulation of an organizational transformation strategy documents and industrializes the sponsor's commitment and the strategic approach to the transformation. The formulation of the transformation strategy provides the foundation on which the sponsor's change agents will assist affected organizational units and users to align and adapt to the transformation. Reactive organizations are very costly. Transforming organizations into proactive entities reduces costs and eliminates duplication and non-value added processes, which is key to improving the bottom line and improving product and service delivery at the same time. A transformation program provides the opportunity to transform organizations from being reactive to being proactive. CRG consulting's process is one that starts at the top of an organization, ensuring management commitment and that strategic goals and objectives reflect the current organizational requirements. Once this is solidified, then processes, operational objectives, and human resources are transformed into a cohesive program that is truly cross-functional in nature. By the end of the transformation process, the organization will have developed into an efficient team, one that continuously improves the organization through effective management of objectives, ensuring sustainability into the future. Strategic management is critical to organizational development as it aligns the mission and vision with operations, recognizes the relationship between strategy and a company's mission and overall vision. Strategic management seeks to coordinate and integrate the activities of various functional areas of a business in order to achieve long-term organizational objectives. This kind of workshop strategic management is very important not only to employees but also to the employers and all the other stakeholders. So I think all of you are I think most of you are academicians. Yes. Who will be passing on whatever is being discussed here. You will be passing on to your students who will be the budding entrepreneurs of future. So who are the future of our country. So this is a very, very important and very timely workshop that is being organized. I congratulate you, all of you, and wish you all the best, and also wish the Institute all the best for this workshop and for all your future activities, and to all you also in your academic fields. And I also would like to assure Professor Mahindra that our department has always been working for the betterment of higher education and for further improvement in all the concerned fields. And I think we will also try to do much, much better in future. So thank you again for calling me and wish you all the best. Thank you.